So yeah, welcome back to class. Today is the day 31 of our Excel work hour. So that means we are 30 days past. Yes, we give thanks to God for sparing our life up to this moment. And also, thanks for making sure you keep on upskilling yourself every day. You'll be following this video. Okay, so in case you are just joining us, today is the day 31 of our class tagged Excel work hour. We've been learning different things about how to use Microsoft Excel, different functions, different formulas, and a lot of things we've been learning since the beginning of this challenge or class. Yes, since the beginning of the class. So now, in today's class, we're going to be learning another function again. It is something we've learned before, but we've not learned how to use its function. Exactly, we've not learned how to use its function. Now, what is that? Guess. Right? So before we go to that, let me quickly make an announcement again. So in case you're just joining us first, my name is Korea ECG. I'm a data analyst. I'm also a data analysis instructor. So I've trained a number of students, and by God's grace, all thanks to God, they are doing well. So I'm a data analysis instructor. I teach people, and I'm also a data analysis. I help business bring out insights from their from their data. So in case you are thinking of you want to start a data analysis career, or you are a company want to train your workers on how to use Microsoft Excel or any of the Excel, or any of the data analysis tool, either Excel, Power BI, SQL, or Python. God sparing our life by God's grace. I'm always available for that. Exactly. Okay, so the first announcement is that we are going to be having a webinar in September. Yes, by God's grace. The webinar is going to be on September 14. Yes. So in case you would love to join the webinar, please click on the form below. Click on the form below to register for the webinar and message me on WhatsApp so I can add to the WhatsApp group. That's going to be our community also. It's going to be the community with analysis also by Grace Grace. So message me so you can be added to the community group, and you can what after you must have make sure you fill the form. Also, we are under announcement is that we are going to be having a data analysis cohort in October. Yes, by God's grace. I'm going to be taking out a new number of students. So we are going to be taking data analysis from the scratch. So either you don't have the knowledge at all, by God's grace, just message me. The class is the perfect class for what for beginners. Exactly. So we are going to be learning Excel, Power BI, SQL, and what and Python. Then at the end of the class, each of the students are going to have their own portfolio websites where they are going to be having some projects on their portfolio website by God's grace. Now, what are we doing today? Let's get back to class. We are going to be doing another thing today. And what's that? We call it filter function. Filter function. Ah, why are we disturbing ourselves? We've learned how to use filter before now. Yes, yes. But it's always good, as I've always said, it's always good for us for you to make sure that what your knowledge is not restricted to anything at all, exactly. So in fact, there are some things that what you might not even be using them. It might just be probably you went for an interview and they will ask you the question. Just very basic question, and you're not able to answer it. It's going to cause what a big problem for someone. Exactly. So that's why it's always good. We are trying to make sure that what we learn every basic thing we are supposed to learn, and what the what intermediate things also we are expected to know about our Microsoft Excel. Yes, so without wasting much of our time, let's get started. Now, in today's class, what are we doing? We are doing filter function. How do we use it? How do we apply it? It's just what? It's just very, very simple. Very, very simple. Now, this equals to filter. Now, what's my array? Just what? I can select, but don't let us use the one of selected today. Let's use this from what? From our previous knowledge. And what I want to be trying to be doing in the next class that what, I'm going to make sure that what, so anything we've learned before, if there's any particular function we want to learn in that day, we are going to what go back to our previous knowledge so that what we can just what refresh our memory. Now the first thing what, let us what name our range of cells exactly. So let me control shift down, control shift right like this. So let me name this what data. Yes, this is my data. So let me just call it data. So yes, I've named this range of cell data. Now the next thing I want to do is what is that I want to name each of my column exactly. Should I not start doing like this? No. Let's just disturb ourselves. So Control Shift right, Control Shift down like this. Then what's the next thing? Let us go to our formulas. Then we come to what? Create from selection. Then we say what? Top row and say okay. Exactly. So we've created it. Now if you come here, let us confirm. You can see data, category, product, quantity, region, sales. So now let's come here. I will say equals to filter. Now what's my array? My array is your data. So I'll just say data, comma, include what? No, hold on. Let us check for what? Category that are gadgets. Exactly. I want to feed about just category that are gadgets. So I'll just say gadgets equals to what? Ah, sorry. So it should be category. Category equals to what? Gadgets. Don't forget whenever you are typing, whenever you are using a function, if you want to type, please don't forget. It must be what? Quoted. Please don't make the mistake. Exactly. And then I'm going to say close and say enter like this. Now you can see it. Everything that it's giving me what is gadgets. Should you do something else? Yes, let us take how will I say it? I want to look for the best word to use. Let us up our game, yes, let us up our game. Now how do we want to up our game? We want to up our game in such that what we want to say okay, we want to look for category that are what that the quantity are what greater than 5, yes. Do you have any? Yes. Okay, let's say it's greater than 10. So how do you do that? Just come to here like this. Now see, I will not say times. No, close this bracket first. Now I say times. I will open bracket again. I will say quantity what greater than 10. Close my brackets. Enter. Okay. So now sorry. So I'm supposed to make sure you can see it. Please, this is why you just have to make sure what you pay good attention. The reason why we're having there was we did not open this particular bracket before. There is no bracket here. That's why we're having there. So you can see it. Now you can see it. No, so let me come back again and what let me put my brackets here. Can you see it? Yes. Can you see it? Catch it, catch it. Can you see anything less than 10 here? I hope this is clear to everyone, and I hope you and I have been able to learn what something new today. So, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and please share the videos to your colleagues, either in school or your friends. You never can tell they might be needing this exactly, or even if it is any accountant, bankers, accountant, anyone that you know that is using Microsoft Excel, please just copy our YouTube link to them. They are going to appreciate it and they will continue. Thank you for giving them the link. Just trust me. Exactly. So don't forget if you want to register for for the webinar, click on the form below, register and message me on on WhatsApp so we can add it to the community. Yes. Learn with Corona have we now have a community. Exactly. So learn with Corona have a community. So it can be added to our WhatsApp with community. Exactly. So thanks for watching. We meet in our class by God's plan in our life tomorrow. We are going to be learning another function in Microsoft Excel. So do have a nice day. Bye.